In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete your Goodday organization account. Before we get started, keep in mind that deleting an organization is a permanent action. This usually removes your projects, tasks, and related data for that organization. So if you think you might need any of that information later, it's a good idea to export important data or take screenshots before you proceed. Also, you should make sure you're an administrator or have the necessary permissions to manage the organization account. Otherwise, you won't see some of the options we'll be using. First, sign into your Goodday account and go to your workspace as you normally would. Once you're on the main screen, look towards the lower left corner of the interface. Here, you'll see your profile icon. This might show your photo, your initials, or a generic avatar. Click on that profile icon to open up your account menu. When the profile menu opens, you'll see several options related to your personal account and the workspace. From this menu, find and click on the option labeled Organization Settings. This is where all the controls for the current organization are located, including members, billing, and high-level account settings. After you click Organization Settings, you'll be taken to a new settings page. Along the left-hand side or near the top, depending on your layout, look for the section called Organization Account. Go ahead and click on Organization Account. This will narrow down the settings specifically to the organization's main account configuration rather than user-level or project-level settings. Inside the organization account area, you'll see several subsections. Look for the one named Account Administration. This is usually where critical actions live, such as managing ownership, subscriptions, and deleting the organization. Click on Account Administration to open that section. Now that you're in the Account Administration section, scroll if necessary until you find the option labeled Delete Organization. This is the control you'll use to permanently remove the organization. Click on Delete Organization. At this point, Goodday will typically ask you to confirm your decision, and you may need to type in the organization name or your password, or click a confirmation button. Carefully read any warnings that appear, then confirm the deletion if you're absolutely sure. Once you've confirmed,